So it runs and drives, kind of stops. We're gonna see if we can make it home. Well, here we go. See if we make it home. First case of death wobble. Good thing I was doing like 10 miles an hour. Blowing out all kinds of oil out of the back. Looks like we're spraying for mosquitoes. Well, the farther we drive, the less power it has. It is a struggling. Out of gas. Dang it. Well, the old Chariot has stopped me on the side of the road. Out of gas. It's like everywhere that could be blowing oil out, it's blowing oil out. A few more miles and I should be at home. Unless that ember on the exhaust catches fire, then it burns right here. Alright, got more gas. Oh, that wasn't it. There it is. Look at that. Son brought me the only 2 cans we had at the house. So right now we're running 32-to-1 premix. And maybe about 2 gallons of 91 octane no ethanol. Man, about 2 miles from the house. I hope I make it. Well, now the brakes are locked up, so I can't get out of first. Oh, there goes second. That's a little better. Well, second it is. Well, about 1.5 miles, I'm going to have to stay in second gear. Feet if I give it any more throttle than this. About probably 3/4 of a mile from my house. Looking pretty bleak. It's about to die again. Oh, farts. Back going again. Oh no. I'm just kidding. Well, it won't pull the hills here to go home. As you can see, the fuel filters are nasty. So more than likely the carburetor is also nasty. That's the second fuel filter there from the tank. Tank has 1 filter. It's the first one I installed. There's the one before the carb, and they are nasty. Sent my son to go get the straps. I guess we're gonna tow it the rest of the way. Well, while I'm waiting for him to bring straps back, I guess I'll just see if I can limp it as long as I can, as far as I can. It's hot here today too. Oh. Yep. ain't gonna pull that heel. Well, starting to smell starter windings now. That's never good. Stall in front of some people's driveway. That's not good either. Well, there's a bunch of unhappy sounds coming from this truck. Here we are, the lumbering beast, towed majestically behind a Ford. Thank you, Ford. It's hot outside, but a little bit of breeze coming in. Man, I don't know if that's a brake rivets rubbing the drum or that's a front wheel bearing, but it sounds bad. There's our shift patterns. Probably really don't need them while we're being drugged behind a Ford. Update. The roar gets worse whenever you turn the wheel, so it's definitely a wheel bearing, not a brake. Well, finally made it. Had to use the old farm truck to get it the rest of the way, but it's here. Pretty sure it'll run again once we get the fuel filters changed out. Pretty sure the highway driving had enough fuel flow that it broke all that sediment up, clogged the filters. Probably be okay for what we're going to do in the yard. Thanks for watching.